Hi friends, Tina did it here and welcome back to my channel. Many of you have been requesting some elf on a shelf ideas or shenanigans, and here I decided to just show you how my elf arrived this year. I made this using all Dollar Tree items, so if you want to see how I made this project, just keep on watching. But before I get started, I would just like to say I'm going to do my best to do voiceovers with instructions on my upcoming elf on a shelf ideas, but if I don't, just know that my kids are around. Now let's get started. I'm going to start off with this wooden sled ornament from Dollar Tree, and I'm going to go in with white paint by Apple Barrel, and I'm just going to paint the entire thing white. While my sled is drying, I'm going to take 2 packs of the pudding, which I also picked up from Dollar Tree. I did snap mine off. You know how they come together? I ended up snapping them, which might have been not a good idea since the reindeers are going to be lined up next to each other. So if you'd rather keep them attached, it's probably a better idea to do so. Now here I have some googly eyes, I have a red pom-pom and some bells, and I'm also going to use some pipe cleaners. The red pom-pom and the red pipe cleaner is going to be for Rudolph, and the rest is going to be for the other reindeers. And now to put this all together, I'm going to use twine, but you can definitely use yarn or whatever you have on hand. And here I'm just going through to put it through the sled and hot glue it and just take the twine around all of the pudding. And before I forget to mention, if you like videos that are straight on point and cute and simple projects like this one, and definitely affordable, be sure to subscribe and hit that bell button so you're notified every time I upload a video. And if you're new here, welcome, welcome. It's great to have you here. Now be sure to subscribe so you don't miss on upcoming videos like this one. Just a little side note, you could also use glue dots or double-sided tape for the googly eyes and the bells for the reindeers on the pudding cups. But as for me, I ended up using the low temp glue gun. And now it's time to line up the reindeers. So there are 2 options here. You can either have them standing up like this, or you can have them laying down just like that. And that's the look that I went for. But now it's time to take my twine and glue it all together. And once again, reminding you, you could always leave your cups attached and you don't have to take them apart because right here they're aligned once again. So it's probably a better idea, like I said, to keep them attached. But let me know what you think down in the comments. I'd love to hear from you. So be sure to stop by the comment section and let me know what you think. And this doesn't have to be just an arrival project. You can definitely use this throughout the month of December. So I hope this helps. And be sure to subscribe for more. And if you like this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more fun DIYs. Thank you all for watching. Stay safe and I'll see you all next time. Bye!